I'm Catfish with Angry Audio. We have a new product. We call it the Headphone Disconnector. It's like a headphone connector, but, well, it's a disconnector. Let me show it to you. This is it. It's got a headphone plug on one side, so you can plug this into your mixing console or your headphone amplifier. And then it's got a jack on the other side, and you're going to plug your headphone cable into this. So now what you end up with is you end up with this small length of cable in between your equipment and your headphone cable. So what's the point? Well, the point is in the middle here. This connector in the middle is actually a magnetic connector that will separate in the event that you apply some force. So if you accidentally step on your headphone cable or perhaps walk away from your console with your headphones around your neck, which is very common in radio. The disc jockeys will often like to drop the headphones from their head down to their neck, and it's easy to forget they're on at that point, and you just walk away and you're still wired up. Well, you could do damage. You could actually damage the headphones, which is very common. You could damage the cable to the headphones, which is very common. You could damage the equipment, and you could even hurt yourself. So it's not fun. And chief engineers watching this, you all know this because you've replaced so many headphones you can't even keep count. And you've also had to solder new connectors onto broken headphone cables. This is something that takes a lot of time, and it's really not pleasant. And you're probably wondering why nobody ever has made some kind of a magnetic safety disconnector thing for headphones. And the answer is, well, we did. And so this is available now from Angry Audio, and it comes in a few flavors. So the one I'm showing you here, it has a 1/4-inch plug and a 1/4-inch jack. And so that's pro equipment to pro headphone, very common sizing. But we have another one, and that one has an 1/8-inch plug and an 1/8-inch jack. Same idea. Separates in the event that there's some kind of a problem. So it separates so that you don't damage your equipment or hurt yourself. By the way, this isn't just disc jockeys. This is also studio guests. You give them headphones. They're not used to wearing headphones. They roll the chair over the headphone cable and they damage things, or they get up and walk away and they're still wired up. And again, it's a mess. It's potentially an injury. It definitely is not easy on the equipment, and this is very inexpensive insurance to basically make that problem a thing of the past. Also, in addition to 1/8-inch plugs, 1/8-inch jacks, 1/4-inch plugs, 1/4-inch jacks, you can mix them, so it becomes an adapter. So let's say, for example, that you have a piece of equipment that has a 1/4-inch plug, and your headphone plug happens to be the 3.5mm type, the 1/8-inch type. Well, you can buy it this way. And so now it becomes an adapter and a headphone breakaway cable thing. In our case, we call it the Headphone Disconnector. This is $29, by the way, and it's available from broadcast resellers, and such as Broadcasters General Store, SCMS. Choose your favorite broadcast reseller. Call them, tell them that you want the Angry Audio Headphone Disconnector, and they'll fix you up. And really, for the rest of the day, I'm just going to sit here and do this because it's fun. So that's it. New product, Headphone Disconnector, Angry Audio. Thanks for watching.